Have you ever had one of those, I can't believe I just did that moments? I'm going to show you one of mine right now. This really calls for a glass of wine. We'll get back to the DJI in just a moment. Alright, so I'm back. Got my glass of wine. Clearly I did not turn on my microphone when I recorded the unboxing of the Mavic Mini. So I'm going to go through what's in the box and a little description on a couple of things to do, and then we're going to test it out. So for starters, the kit came with a 3-pack charger for the batteries. We came with 3 batteries as well. So we get all 3 of these, simply pop in, and they are good to go. This charger pack charges 1 at a time, which is fine. You're typically going to plug them in overnight anyway. Each battery is good for about 30 minutes of flight time, and that gives you a good hour and a half, which is probably more than you're ever going to use at any given time. We also came with 3 different connectors, Android, iPhone, Samsung like I have. That's basically to connect from your controller. Let me get that out of there. The controller to the phone. The phone is going to fit right in the bottom here. Now, one thing I'll note, and note is the key word, I have the Samsung Note 9, and I found that phone is just a little bit too big to fit in here comfortably and plug in the connector. So I do have an LG G5, which is a little bit smaller. So that's the one that I'm actually using for this. I've connected it, everything works beautifully, and it's big enough to see everything, but small enough to fit in here comfortably and to use. So make sure you've got a phone that's a little bit smaller than the Note 9. This kit also comes with 4 of the arms for the joysticks for controlling, which is awesome. You see on the ends here we've got a record button as well as a take picture button, so just as an added, make it a little bit easier, I guess. And of course a dial that you can see there, and that will adjust your camera up or down. It's a great little system. We also came with charger cable, and the main kit comes with 3 sets of extra propellers. The extra fly kit comes with 2 more, as well as a mini screwdriver to help you change those. Now the Mavic Mini itself, this is a beautiful little unit. Basically fold out your arms and you are ready for flight. Remember to take off the gimbal protector before you fly it anywhere. Now the system at the back here is where your battery is going to go. So just pop our battery, get it in there, close it up. Good to go. So overall, it's a really awesome little kit. It's got just about everything that I need. Mine, I purchased an extra 128 gig memory card for it. You gotta have some memory, but I did find when I've done some recording with this that it actually transmits or records onto the phone as well. So I'm not sure if you actually need the memory card, but it's a good to have. I'll be right back because we're gonna go test this out now. Way to the schoolyard. Time for some fly. I gotta say that was a ton of fun. I would highly recommend getting the Mavic Mini, especially if you're a novice. Try not going for the high-end one. Yeah, you never know how well you're gonna do with it. But we're gonna have fun with this one. Going to include it in many videos to come. Thanks for watching.